Here's my brand new vape and juice that I've had for a long time that I've never used because I've had the disposables for a long time. I think this was my juice. It says he hasn't used mine, but I can't remember what flavor it was. And then here's my device. And this feels weird. My first ever device. Let's see how this goes. You need to wait like 5 to 10 minutes before you use it. Oh, look what it comes with. No flipping way. Comes with owner's manual, pod, charger cable, which I have plenty of. Owner's manual. This is the first time we have an owner's manual to a vape. Oh gosh. Okay, the filling hole is red. Yeah, I'm gonna have to keep this bastard out. There's an instruction manual somewhere. Because I'm going to be needing that joker. Throw this away, throw this away, keep this downstairs, take this upstairs, take the user manual upstairs. What the hell is this? The freaking oh, nah. You will not see me using this lanyard. This bad boy is probably about to get chunked, to be honest. Because you would never see me wearing like a chain or anything. So honestly, I'm probably not going to use it. I may keep it for something. I'll look through the user manual sometime else. Because I know the basic rules of this. Because my brother has one of these. Free lanyard, I was thinking it was going to be like the lanyards I'm used to, but no, it's not. Oh. I just realized. Because I never had the backside listing out of the vape. Let me look at the instructions so then I don't screw this up, throwing this thing up. Because where did it say the fill hole was? Because it looks like there's 2 spots you can fill it, but then I think the instructions said only 1. So hey hot dog. Let me read this. Wait. Oh, so I figured it out. So to fill it, pop this off, then that red little hole is where you put the juice in. Oh gosh, let's see how this goes, guys. Frickety frick. I'm gonna throw this box away. Even if this was my brother's juice, it's getting used by me. So yeah, I now need to fill this bad boy. Wait, well let me call my brother to make sure. Because this is, I don't see how it's supposed to go in, because I see where the red hole is, but I don't see how it's supposed to go in, because it looks like there's a cover or something on it. So I'll let you guys know. Guys, I watched a YouTube video, so what has to happen is I have to put the tip of this in that little red spot, and then they'll fill it. From what it looked like based on what YouTube short I watched. And I just wanted to verify based on the instructions, because it's my first ever device I've owned personally, because otherwise the previous ones were from my brother. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that whole situation. It's almost full. I wonder if that's as full as I'll be able to get it without overfilling it, to be honest. Because how long these tips are on, how long the tip is on this vape juice bottle. I'll have to see. Or maybe I'll go a little higher, because it looks like there's still a little room left. Yeah, seems like I got it fully filled to the max. So now I'm gonna put this back on and then let it sit for 15 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes, and then it should be good. So then hopefully, I'm probably turning on the light in where I am right now because I'm in Scandinavian porch, and plus it's 6 a.m. Another reason I'm up is because something that happened, not yesterday, but the night before. And I just couldn't sleep. Well, and plus I had an alarm set. So I was like, well, since my disposable X bar strawberry banana 5000 puff final vape, the 6th one, decided to go out on me, I decided to whip out the Xros Nano 3. And let's see how this goes. That's weird. Let me try it again. Holy hell. I'm buzzed. Like, I may just not use it. I don't know what's going on. I may get my brother to test it out to see if there's something I screwed up filling it. But it hits a little weird. Or it's just I haven't used the device in a long time. And I'll just have to see. Or just I'm not used to the harsh flavor. Or the pod's acting weird. Or something. I'll let my brother test it out. Because it hits harsh. But then I will let you guys know what my brother says. But yeah, it hits weird. Like, I'm going to talk to my brother about this. But yeah. So I will keep you guys updated. This is weird. It hits harsh. I'll let my brother test it out like I've already said. But hopefully you guys understand. But then I'll keep you guys posted.